Is it blurry? Okay, it's double-walled cardboard. Lay it down. Have the factory score cut right through almost completely. You can see how it bends. And then flip it over. Cut the other side almost through. And then flip it back. Now you have double thickness. And you're now creating your box. Put the product, PVC, in. You see now it's very strong. This side would be the other side of it. And to make the top of the box, you do the same thing. Double wall. Cut once, almost all the way through, fold it back, and it sits over top of the product, now creating a box. Then you would bind it with straps, and you've now created a full box.